Dito sa India, August 19 kahapon, meron silang ginanap na festival na tinatawag na Rasha Bandhan. At saka guys, ipapaliwanag ng aking partner na Indiano kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng Rasha Bandhan.
So on the Raksha Bandhan, the sister tie the knot on a brother's right hand, and this amulet called the Rakhi. This Rakhi is the symbol of the sister wishes for the brother from all the evil, and the wish for the brother's good wealth and the health. And in return, the brother pledge to protect the sister from all and everything harm come towards the sister.
You told me about the Indian tradition, right, baby? What's the Indian tradition about the brother and sister? The brother and sister. What the tradition in India?
So basically, if there is a brother is always protect the sister, right? And if brother is pledged to protect the sister's kids also. So brother is always very careful to show too much care to sister's kids too. So after like father, brother is the male figure who look after the sister if something happened to her in her personal life, in her professional life, or in her wedding life. Brother is responsible to solve all the problem and protect her from everything. That's the tradition. So in India, the brothers are very caring regarding when it comes to something related to their sister, because sister get married and go to someone else's house later on, right? That's why.
Itong festival na to guys is every year nilang ginaganap ito ng mga Hindu religion guys. Then ang mga sister guys is pumupunta sila sa bahay ng mga brother niya. Kahit po yung mga pinsan niya na mga first cousin or second cousin guys. Kasi dito sa India guys, ang cousin ay tinuturing po nila na kapatid. Kaya minsan naguguluhan ka kung totoo bang kapatid yan or cousin lang. Kasi pag pinakilala nila sa'yo, ang tawag nila is brother or sister, kaya maguguluhan ka. Hindi sila nagsasabi dito na she's my cousin, he is my cousin. No, hindi ganon. Ang tawag nila dito kahit sa pinsan lang is brother, sister. Kaya minsan naguguluhan ako kung ano ba, pinsan niya ba yun, totoo ba niya yung kapatid, ganon. At saka dito guys sa video nakikita nyo dito yung pinsan niyang babae, first cousin niya to guys, na nag-iisan lang yung pinsan na babae. Then kung the rest guys, kung nakikita niyo yung sa kanina na video, is yun yung mga pinsan niya. Dahil nag-iisang anak lang ang aking fiancé na Indiano. Kaya wala po siya talagang kapatid. Then, lahat po dyan is mga first cousin niya nandyan. Tapos yung mga bata is pamakin niya sa pinsan. Maliit lang po yung pamilya niya, hindi po kalakihan. Siguro kaming lahat nasa lang, mga 14 to 18 na tao guys. Ayan, nilagyan niya yung boyfriend ko ng Rocky. Then, yan lang. Tapos yung may pula. Tapos, yung mga lalaki, yung mga brother is magbibigay ng cover. Ang tawag nila dyan is cover. Yung kumbaga sa atin is envelope na may naglalaman na pera. Kumbaga sa Chinese is yung red packet na may naglalaman na pera. Yun yung binibigay ng brother sa sister. Tapos yung sister naman, kahit ano lang po yung ibigay, then nagbigay lang din siya ng chocolate or cash, yung ganun po. Basta yung brother, kailangan din may ibigay sa sister. Ganon. And then, ang ako dyan is, kung makikita nyo dyan sa video guys, sa last, is nilagyan ako ng sister niya na para lang ma-experience ko daw naman yung festival na Rasha Bandhan para ma-feel. Ayan, nakita nyo yung envelope, diba? Yung envelope na yun ang tinatawag nila is cover. Ayan, gusto nila din nalagyan din ako para ma-experience ko daw kung anong para ma-feel ko din daw, ganun. Ayun, picture-picture lang kami, tapos, kumain lang din kami, konting handa-handa, ganun lang. Simpleng celebration lang. Ayan, nilagyan ako. Kasi akala ko, kailangan siya sa right hand, guys. Hindi siya pwede sa left hand. Kailangan sa right hand. Ayan. Ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.